You are community at AP2.
Alright, what's going on, guys? Today I am doing a coolant temperature sensor on an '09 Chevy Cobalt, and this is the 2.2. This is what your actual sensor looks like. $30. I put some plumber's tape on there, that way I can get a good seal and no leaks. But you just pop your fuse out of there, your little sensor, and then it takes a what did it take? It took a 19 millimeter. 19 millimeter will pop this off. A little bit of coolant will come out, but other than that, you're good. I'll show you where it's located right here. You take off this cap. It's the Ecotech model. You take off that cap, then you always put your oil cap back on. That way you don't get any dirt or anything in there. And then you look in here. I've got a little light set up right here, but you take that cap off. It's easier to get from it over here on this '09. On an '07 it might be easier to get it from the other way, but let's see, this is where it goes, right here, and there's a little liquid, a little bit of coolant going out right now, but I'm gonna plug that in, show y'all what it looks like afterwards. There's my sensor that you plug back in there. All right, I'm gonna replace this and get back to y'all. But yeah, I just took it out with a 19 millimeter, so I'm gonna put it back in and then show you what it looks like. All right, so that's what it looks like whenever it's installed. And then just grab my sensor right here and plug it in. You should also wait for your car to cool down before you put this in so you don't burn yourself, but there you go. And that's that. Got to put that top back on, but that's easy. And you will lose some coolant whenever you pop that coolant temperature sensor off. I lost some coolant, so I'm gonna have to refill my reservoir here, but that's fine. Just fill it up to this fill line right here, and that's a-okay. A quart or two and you'll be good. But yeah, all right, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. If you would, please like and subscribe, and enjoy. Stay tuned for the next one. Y'all take care. Peace.